Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, hi, how are you? My name is Eleftheria and today we are coding for the daily UI challenge. We are on day 25 and today's theme is TV app. I already have something in my mind, pretty much I know what I want to do, and I have creating some stuff in order to go a little bit faster with this video. All the details are going to be in the description box, and also there you will find a link for my CodePen account, so even if you miss something here you can check it out over there, or if you want you can leave a comment and I will do my best to answer it. Thank you. So let's get started. First thing first, we are going to do something that we have done something previously, so in the past, in some other challenges, and I don't know if this structure does anything for you, but we have used it quite a few times, and if I am remembering correctly, this is the third time that we are going to be using this structure. So that's why I'm not going to type anything here in the JavaScript part, because you're supposed to already know that. If you don't, that's okay, just watch some of my previous videos and you will find out how to do this. Okay, now for the CSS, everything is super simple. I have a body, a theme, and a working area. The only thing that I have added, and it's different from the previous time, is that I have a poster, and this is about the images, so I have width, height, and then some padding, but that basically is. Now for the HTML, which is maybe the most important thing for this project, I have my working area, and here I will try to add everything that we are going to be needing. Alright, now let's start. Here inside the working area and inside the flex GTSM, I'm going to add my toolbar. For the toolbar, I'm going to have a layout row and a class of MD, hue, and 3. Right here, I'm going to have another div. This div is going to take a new class. The class is going to be the empty toolbar with tools. Okay, do I need something else? Yes, I do. First of all, I need a span. I need to close that span, and then also add what this TV app is going to be about, and it's going to be about movies. Okay, what is your favorite movie, and do you have a favorite movie? I don't think that I have, but a lot of people have. Okay, I don't want to be weird here, so let's just keep coding. Let's start typing the things about the empty content, and here I'm going to be needing an empty list. Oops, like that, and it will take the flex equals like that. Okay, let's close that tag. Cool, and after that I'm going to need also an MD list item, so let's do it like that. Okay, and it's going to be null because when you click on an item it's not going to be possible to see something. I mean, this is not a real app, so that's why I have the null there. Now the first thing that we are going to do is to add an image inside the ng repeat, and to add an image you will do an ng source with item cover, which is our poster, and hence it has a class poster, and the alt is going to be item, and who is like this part right here, whereas the cover is actually that thing right here. Okay, we also have to add what, who. Okay, we add that, and the duration, and then the ranking. Let's go back and see what else we are missing. After this image right here, I'm going to have a class with an empty list item text and a layout column, and inside here I am going to add all the information that you saw in the JavaScript part, and here they are: header 3 with a B, so it's going to be bold, and item who, and then the duration, after that the what, and in the next line we're going to have the ranking. Isn't it super simple and super easy and super quick? Okay, let's do a quick recap to see if everything works as it's supposed to work. So after the div header 4, we have another div, an empty list item, a list, a content, and our divs also here. For my movies or my theme, I don't know how to call it, let's also check if everything is alright. I have a div and then a toolbar with layout row and empty hue tree, and after that a class with empty toolbar and tools. Okay, now I think that everything is correctly and everything looks fine. I know that this was something fast, but because you've done something similar, I didn't want to talk more about that, so I didn't want my videos to be boring for those of you who already know stuff. But if you are a beginner, then my suggestion would be to just click on the description box below, and here you will find some other projects that I have done, and I think they are quite helpful. So that was it for today, guys. I hope that you liked it and you enjoyed it. If you did, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It would be really, really awesome. Have an amazing day. Don't forget to code just a little bit, and see you really soon. Bye.